Hello, this is the DSC PowerSeries 1832 alarm system, and in this video I will show you how to wire the MDM communicator to the MN01 ringer and to the alarm panel. And then I'm going to show you how to program the alarm system for remote upload and download. Starting with the wiring of our communicator to the ringer, we start with the positive and negative wires of the radio. The aux positive of the radio is the red wire that goes to the red terminal of the ringer module. Then we have the black wire of the radio, which is the aux negative wire, and that goes to the black terminal of the ringer. The next two wires we have are the green and yellow. The green is our telco ring wire, and that goes to the green terminal of the ringer. We have our yellow wire, which is the telco tip wire of the radio, that goes to the yellow terminal of the ringer. The last two wires coming from the radio are the orange and the white. The orange is the output of our communicator and goes to the orange terminal of the ringer. The white is the input of the communicator, which goes to the white terminal of the ringer module. On the other side of the ringer, we have the positive and negative. The positive comes out with the red wire from the ringer, and the negative wire comes out with the black wire from the ringer. The next two terminals are the A and B terminals. The A terminal is the telco ring terminal, and that comes out with a green wire. And the B terminal is the telco tip terminal, and that comes out with a yellow wire. The last two terminals are the O and the W terminals. The O terminal is the output terminal, which goes out with an orange wire, and the W terminal is the input terminal, which goes out with a white wire. From the side of the alarm panel, we have the red wire, which is the aux positive wire. That goes to the aux positive terminal of the alarm panel. Then we have the black wire, which is the aux negative wire, and that goes to the aux negative terminal of the alarm system. The next two wires are the orange and white. The orange is the output wire, and that goes to the keypad yellow terminal of the panel. And the white is the input of our communicator, which goes to the keypad green terminal of the panel. The last two wires we have are the telco ring and tip wires. The green wire is our telco ring wire, and that goes to the telco ring terminal of the panel. The yellow wire is our telco tip wire, and that goes to the telco tip terminal of the panel. The next step in the setup is the programming for remote upload/download. I will go into programming on the system with *8, and then I'm going to enter my installer code, which is 5555. The first section I will go to is section 401, and in this section, options 1 and 3 should be disabled, and option 6 should be enabled. The next section I'll go to is section 403, and that's my panel ID codes. So I will enter 183200 in order to set it up as the default code. The next section is 404. Once again, I'm going to enter the default code in this section, 183200. The next section is section 405, and that's my answering machine and double call timer. I will need to set it to 001. And the last section I'll need to go to is section 406, and that is the section for number of rings to answer. I will enter 001. Then I'm going to go out of the programming with pound. Now you're ready to start the sync to the DLS5 software, and you're going to be able to upload and download your system.